up, guys? Welcome to the Aries Motor, home of the quick and easy, where nothing is quick. And these Jeep Compass struts are not easy, definitely not easy. Welcome. So, old man replaced struts on his baby Jeep Compass right there. But he ended up buying cheapo Filippo ones from Auto Shack or something like that. I think it was like a couple $100 for both, brand new. So he put them on, and then what happens was, after a little while, you go over a bump, you can hear the thumping, right? So something was wrong, and old man was super annoyed with it. Like, I didn't see a big problem, but he was very annoyed with it. So what he ended up learning is, now we have like 3 sets. We have old ones, shock absorbers, new ones, KYBs, and that's OEM from 2015 Jeep Compass. So old man found out that these aftermarket springs have 6 coils, so they're too strong, and this thing bounces all the way up, and right here makes the thumping sound because it doesn't stop on the like where it's supposed to. So it's always making thumping sounds. So what old man ended up doing, he ended up going to the junkyard, picked those up from 2015 with low kilometers. The Jeep Compass, I was in an accident, and you can see, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then there's a 6th one right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the one right here, 5. 5 versus 6. So those are too strong, making thumping sounds. So what an old man is doing is, he ended up buying the better quality KYBs, so they're not gas, cheapo Filippo ones. So new shock absorbers, and then OEM coils, in order for him to be happy with it. Like I said, it wasn't a big deal to me, but to him it was a huge deal. So if you end up buying cheapo Filippo strut, complete struts, and then you install and then you can still hear thumping, it's because probably something like that. So when you buy, make sure you pay a little bit more money and buy good stuff. Thanks for watching, and see you next video. Ciao.